Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to install an ink tank system without a cartridge chip for the Epson Workforce WF-3720 printer. We'll also convert the printer to a chipless version using firmware and activation software from inkchip.net. Let's get started. First, head over to inkchip.net. Once you're on the home page, click on the Soft tab. From the list of printer models, locate and select Epson WF-3720. Now, download both the printer firmware and the activation software. These files will come in a zip format. So once the download is complete, make sure to extract the contents to a folder on your computer. Next, plug in the AC power cable to your Epson WF-3720 printer. Then, connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the printer is powered on and recognized by your system. Now, it's time to run the firmware update. Open the extracted firmware folder and launch the update tool. Click Next to begin. Accept the license agreement by selecting I agree, then click Next again. Select your printer from the list that appears and click Start. A prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Your printer's LCD screen will now display updating firmware. Wait patiently as the progress bar moves to 100%. Once the update is complete, the printer will automatically restart. With the firmware updated, it's time to activate the chipless feature. Open the activation software you downloaded earlier. Select your printer from the list. Click on Activation Online. To complete this step, you'll need an activation serial number, SN. You can purchase this from inkchip.net. Go back to the website and click Buy. Choose your printer model and add it to your cart. At checkout, apply the discount code TIRREPAIR to save a bit on your purchase. Once you receive your SN code, return to the activation software, input the code, and click OK. That's it. Your Epson WF-3720 is now running chipless firmware and ready to work with your ink tank system. No cartridge chips required. You can now install an ink tank system, fill it with affordable bottled ink, and print without ever worrying about chip errors again. Congratulations! If this guide was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more printer tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!